In this video, we'll download and install our ClickMimic Trade Reader EA. Open the website clickmimic.com in your browser, just like it's shown in my browser. Next, click the Download button in the top navigation bar. Now click the Download MT5 Trade Reader EA button and the download will start. After downloading the EA, open the downloaded folder. As you can see, the downloaded folder also contains a PDF file with the installation instructions for this EA. Launch your MT5, which will be used as the signal reader. This can be a demo account, completely unrelated to your target platform and target account, but it must be an account where you can enable algo trading. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-D, or do it the same way I show in the video. Now open the MQL5 folder first, and then open the Experts folder. Now paste both Trade Reader EA files you downloaded in the previous step into the Experts folder. The X5 and MQ5 files, excluding the PDF installer guide. Now go back to your MT5 and, on the left side, right-click on Examples and click Refresh. REAs should appear in the list. Then drag it onto the chart the same way I do. Now make sure the checkbox, Allow Algo Trading, is selected, and click OK. Now make sure you have the green triangle at the top, meaning Algo Trading is enabled in the terminal. Now go back to the folder where we pasted our EA. Then go back to the MQL5 folder and open the Files folder instead of Experts. Note that this folder is empty. This is the folder where our EA will create the signal file. Now go back to the MT5 where you installed the trade reader, choose the currency pair, or any instrument you want to trade, and drag the EA onto the chart the same way I do. Now, in Inputs, change the instrument name to match the instrument of the chart you have open. Copy it exactly, and click OK. Now open any example trade. It can be a pending order. This will make the trade reader read the trade details and create a signal file based on it. Now, in the Files folder, you should see the signal file. Open it, delete all of its contents, and save the changes. The trade reader will overwrite this file automatically, so do not delete the file itself. In the next steps, you will set the path to this signal file. Congratulations, you have successfully installed our EA. Get ClickMimic at clickmimic.com/buy.